Good day, and my name is Victor. Welcome to Vtupress tutorial. And today we'll be talking about airtime conversion and how to manage airtime conversions, how to set up airtime conversions on Vtupress. So that's very easy. So right here, let's just try to come to the back end here. So on the back end, access video settings under Vtupress. After that, click on payment button. After you click on payment button, click on airtime conversion. So now enable airtime to wallet, enable airtime to cash. So if you click on one, so let's just say, okay, let's click on no, let's say this is no, and then let's say this is yes. Make sure that let's give it the default values. I just want to just point something here. So this is the default value. Immediately install the plugin, this are the default values for airtime conversion. So I'm clicking on the airtime conversion. I see this, you can see this over here. So now let's try to just check on money. Click on money. So now you can see airtime conversion here. You can see this airtime conversion. You can see airtime to wallet, and that is because we enabled airtime to wallet here, and here we have airtime to cash. You can see. Okay, what if we just set this to no? What happens actually? So let's just refresh this page here. You can see there is no more airtime to wallet here. There is no airtime conversion here, so we have to just enable one of them. So let's say we enable this first. Okay, what if, you may just ask, what if I enable airtime to cash alone without airtime to wallet? So there's something that's going to happen here. So you can now see that this airtime conversion exists, and now we have only airtime to cash here. So let's try to just enable both of them and then test how it works. So airtime conversion, just enable this airtime to wallet. Okay, and click on OK. Let's go back to the front end and then refresh this page. Okay, alright, airtime conversion. So right here you can just click on airtime conversion, airtime to wallet. So the network, you can see no network is being selected. That is because the default values here are unchanged. You can see 08012357889, which are the default values. So we have to enter a genuine and let me say valid account, a phone number, 49626922. So let's save that. Now let's refresh this page here. So after that's been refreshed, come on, I think I have the network outage here. Okay, alright, airtime to wallet, and then select MTN. And we have only MTN here because what we did here, we only changed the number here from the default values to a valid phone number, and that is why that is being shown. I said the charges for airtime to wallet, the charges for MTN on airtime to cash, the charges for airtime to wallet under Glow, and the charges for airtime to cash under that. So that's very easy to understand. They're all percentage based. So we can be saying we'll be charging 2% of that. Okay, let's say 50%. So we're sending this to 50%, and this part as well. Let's say for the airtime to cash 50% as well. So let's leave that. So we are testing for MTN alone, so the same process applies for other networks. So let's refresh this page to apply that changes. So on this airtime conversion, airtime to wallet, so you can just click on MTN here, and then the amount, let's say is 100 naira. So the number that will be transferring from, so let's say 08049626922. So this is the amount I'm paying to, and then the charge is 15 naira. And how much will I get after? You know, the charge is 15 naira here. How much is 50%? Actually, it is 50. Okay, yes. So thank you. It is 50%. Sorry. So that's 50% of that. So now 50% of 100 naira is also 50%. So let's say we are funding with 200 naira. So let's see that. You can see I will get 100 naira because the charge is 50% of 200 is 100, and now it gets 100 naira. So let's convert. So click on OK. So as well, let's try that for airtime to cash. So airtime to cash, MTN, the amount 100. So the account details that I want to get the conversion to, because let's say 5,000, let's say 5,000 here. So please to 5. Let's enter the account details. Let me say 051 37627. Say maybe the username is, maybe the account name is Alcohol Victor, and let's say the bank is GTBank. So this as well, we can just say the number to be transferred from, so 08059626922. So let's click on convert as well. So let's see how both of them works. Software was it to be, and okay, that's done. So now let's come back to our backend and then let's refresh this page. Okay, now we can just click on users, withdrawals. So we can see the pending withdrawals here. Oh, sorry. If I click on trace, actually we are not withdrawing. You just click on trace and then click on wallet. It's on wallet, just click on successful. So you can see on this part here we have by Vtupress. You can see the amount is 25. The previous amount on my wallet is 200, and the current balance after I approve this, it is not applicable. Why? Because you are transferring from airtime to bank. So this is the amount, okay, 5,000, and 2,500 is what I will get. Actually, 5,000 is the amount that I want to transfer, which I will receive. Let's say my user is transferring 5,000 to me and it's charged 50% at 50%. So we can see that here we have 25, which will be the amount I'll be collecting that user. So we can just, let's read this through. To pay the sum of 5,000 for 2,500, conversion rate charged at 50% from, this is the number that the user will use to send the money to me actually. So when I receive any airtime from this number, I will just do what, I will just transfer this amount to this account details. This amount is the amount I'm transferring to this account details. So I can just click on approve our field. So let me click on field. So you can just check on this my dashboard at the front end here to see the message. You can see this part here. Victor, airtime to cash, it is failed. The amount is 500. The previous is 200. Current balance is not applicable. So to pay the sum of stuff. So you can see the time. It's a failed transaction. So let's try that for airtime conversion actually. So this airtime to wallet, that is, I will transfer. I want to fund my wallet with this amount. So if a user, let's say the Vtupress, which is the user, you can see that here, Vtupress. So now he wants to get 100 to his wallet, on my own website. So the previous balance is 200 naira, and that is what we find here. And if I approve this this order, I'll be getting 300. That is, the user will be getting 300. So now to pay the sum of 200 for 100 naira, conversion rate charged at 50% from this number. So if I get this, if I get the airtime from this number, I will have to just approve this. So on approving that, 100 now will be added to the 200 now, which is the previous balance, and the user current balance will now be 300. So let's approve that. So you can see this part here, airtime to wallet, it is ID 19, it is pending. So after refreshing that, being approved, you can see that now airtime to wallet is now approved, and now my balance is 300. Earlier on it was 200 naira, and I converted 100 naira airtime to cash, and now after that has been approved by the admin, I got 300 naira, which is my current balance. So that is how you just convert airtime to cash. It's just very simple. It doesn't take this much time, of around 10 minutes, but because of this explanation and other stuff, that's why it's just taking time, but it's just very simple. So thank you, and God bless you.